Are you looking best compost tumblers? Composting has become an essential practice for eco-conscious gardeners and homeowners, providing a sustainable way to recycle kitchen and yard waste into nutrient-rich compost. Compost tumblers, in particular, simplify the process with their rotating designs, dual chambers, and efficient aeration systems. In this product number, FCMP Outdoor IM4000 Dual Chamber Tumbling. The FCMP Outdoor IM4000 is a Canadian-made compost tumbler constructed from 100% post-consumer recycled plastic, making it an eco-friendly option. Its dual-chamber design and 37-gallon capacity allow for continuous composting, while the 8-sided shape with deep fins ensures easy rotation and efficient aeration. The composter is lightweight yet durable, with a UV-inhibited, BPA-free polypropylene body and a corrosion-resistant steel frame. The large openings and removable door make it beginner-friendly and convenient for adding scraps and retrieving finished compost. Performance-wise, the FCMP Outdoor IM4000 stands out for its quick product note. Miracle-Gro Large Dual Chamber Compost Tumbler. The Miracle-Gro Large Dual Chamber Compost Tumbler offers a spacious 55.4-gallon total capacity split between two chambers, making it suitable for gardeners with higher composting needs. Its sturdy alloy steel construction and UV-protected plastic ensure durability, while the dual-chamber design allows for continuous composting. The tumbler features 2 sliding doors for easy access and a hexagonal shape for improved aeration and mixing. While the Miracle-Gro tumbler excels in capacity and build quality, its performance is slightly hindered by a longer composting cycle of 4 to 6 weeks. The sliding doors can be a bit stiff, especially in colder weather, and the tumbler's product number: East Oak Compost Tumbler Outdoor. The East Oak Compost Tumbler is an affordable yet practical option, offering a 43-gallon capacity and a dual-chamber design. Its BPA-free plastic and powder-coated steel frame ensure durability, while the aeration holes and deep fins promote efficient composting. The black exterior helps retain heat, speeding up decomposition, and the compact design makes it suitable for urban settings or smaller yards. Assembly is simplified with a detailed manual and video guide. In terms of performance, the East Oak tumbler delivers solid results for its price point, with composting cycles averaging 4 to 6 weeks. The sliding doors and 360 degrees rotation make it easy. Product number: Black Decker 40-gallon dual chamber compost. As the premium option in this comparison, the Black Decker 40-gallon dual chamber compost tumbler offers advanced features such as a gear-assisted handle for effortless turning and internal mixing bars for enhanced aeration. Its dual chambers allow for continuous composting, while the HDPE PP blend construction ensures durability. The 2 sliding doors make it easy to load and unload, and the aeration vents accelerate decomposition. This tumbler is designed for users who prioritize ease of use and performance. The gear-assisted handle significantly reduces the effort required to turn the bin, even when fully loaded. However, at $179, it's the most product 5. The Growing Updated 43-gallon Compost Bin Outdoor. The Growing Compost Tumbler features a 43-gallon capacity and a dual-chamber design, making it a versatile option for home gardeners. Its standout feature is the innovative internal nut system, which drastically reduces assembly time to under 10 minutes. The BPA-free plastic body and powder-coated steel frame provide durability, while the heat-absorbing black and brown exterior accelerates composting. This model is particularly user-friendly, with fast assembly and a compact footprint that fits well in smaller outdoor spaces. The built-in air vents and turner design ensure proper aeration